Oh, you mean people that don't know, say your boy Yaadman Etan. And so before we get into this video, I would like to thank the NOLA Caribbean Experience for sponsoring this video. Yo, people them, it is official. Yaadman will be at the New Orleans Caribbean Festival, June 25th to June 29th, 2020. So people them, you can click the link in the description below and buy your tickets. Boys, before you buy your tickets, make sure you use the promo code Yaadman to get 10% off. People them, are they ready?
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
No, how come people that don't know Yaadman Etan there? And if they hear one noise or one truck in the background, is this. Is it me? The trailer from Jamaica reach. And over there now, boom. New house. Oh my goodness. Come on, this is the new house where I live in Florida right now, you see me? So, we don't say, I don't want to see house tour and all them things there. Hold on. Come on, see me, I gotta look good against the sun and all these things. Come on, yes, get the sunlight. Oh, yes. You know what? I've never been inside. And boy, I want to go inside there, you know. Alright, so first things first, welcome to my new crib. Isn't it? This is the garage. I don't know, so we can park up all 3 cars in there one time, but I know my father got have like a whole heap of things in there, so yeah man, can go inside. First time in the new house. Whoa, come with washing machine and dryer. Well, I go. Oh yeah, we can all hand wash things. I don't know, so certain things you forget hand wash, like my merchandise, you see me? Alright, bombardos. What on there? Catch the kitchen. Alright. One got hell on right so. Isn't it? Some pantry and oh okay, alright. This is the family room. So wait, this is the dining room. Over here, so. Okay. Alright. So where's the living room now? In here, so? Okay. It's a living room, you know. Every Caribbean household need to have that fancy room that nobody goes in until them have like, you know, special guests and all them things there. I think this is going to be that room. Alright. How many ways to go upstairs now? One this? Mm-hmm. Alright.
This is not the first set. Eastman's loft. See you going over here?
This is my space up here.
Yeah.
This is my space up here.
Your place?
Yeah.
Eventually know what it is. Big enough here?
Yeah.
Big enough here?
Yes.
The shot is fine?
Yeah.
Good.
I want to build a studio.
I don't care what you want to do.
Alright. So people them, I don't know, so this is Yaadman's newest base, isn't me? Right now, let me see. I'm gonna need a bedroom set. I'm gonna need a desk and chair for me to do something there. I'm gonna need a little couch. Yo, I just have a picture of it. Yo, they're gonna go mad. People them, I'm excited for you, man. Fully excited. Yeah, man, like I'm just getting some more and more ideas. Yo. This I got mad. This I got nice. People them, soon. Alright people, time for unload. So look, you know, all that is left are some toolbox my father have, and them dead heavy up. And my father mattress, you see me? So I'm gonna take the camera out of the sun because I don't want the camera overheat for me. And yeah, this is the worst part of the unloading. Alright, watch it. This is a big good piece of toolbox here just so. Yo, my father have 2 pieces to this. And them tools they are older than me, yo. I tell you God tools. They're like legal age plus tax. You see me? Yo, right now, it did. That's what me weigh probably around 500, 600 pounds realistically, you see me? And this is the light one. The light one. This have the big old heavy one left in the truck. So right now, I'll lift out the heavy part of the toolbox. Cheese lines. Been already. Alright, so that's something too heavy for manpower. So it's like if I tie the rope to the vehicle when the vehicle gets it out the rapid. Find them. Keep them. Hold on. Turn on your things. Oh yeah, you gotta get this on video first. No sir.
Trying to make videos on like how to move and stuff?
Nah, I'm a comedian, dog.
Are you a comedian?
Yeah.
Oh, so you gonna make like funny stuff like while moving? Okay, I got to shoot it. I'm gonna get your number, bro. Yeah. I see your camera,
Yo. Tell the guy too, I don't know how they come downstairs, you know. I don't know how the man get the time for the trailer, you know. Come and tell the guy truth, that's something that heavier than spice, batty jar to blood. I got Dr. Stone on this. God know me no want to be a part of this. I tell the God truth.
All hands on deck.
Shit. Alright. Pause. So, right here, I never got it on camera, alright? Because my father wanted me to move the cell phone, right? In reality, I believe my father simply did not want this fail to be caught on camera, right? So, camera cut, and we attempted to hoist this toolbox with rope. This thing is almost 1,000 pounds, people, alright? You know what happened? When we tried to lift that thing out with rope, bam! The something slide out our hand. Some people get rope burn them, and it just did.
I didn't.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. This happened.
Well, I mean, it's out. So that's all that really matters right now.
So, yeah, people, we finally moved into the house in Florida, and this is my new base. But Jamaica will always be my home. And don't worry, that don't mean say Yaadman is not coming back to Jamaica. I'm friggin' Yaadman. How can I not come back to Jamaica? I will be back soon and very soon. Isn't me? I will always be in Jamaica. Now, as excited as I am, to start this new journey in my life, being in Florida, I must say that a lot of that excitement comes with the fact that a lot of my fan base is here in Florida, especially in Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, Kingston 21. But I still am hurt that I had to come here. I've been getting a lot of, I've been seeing the comments in the video that I did, moved out of Jamaica, and a lot of people understood, and some people just did not get it. Some people didn't get what I was trying to say. But regardless, maybe I'll do that topic for another video. I just wish that we didn't have to sell the house, and I wish that that base in Jamaica would have always been my base. But God knows best, so we just have to keep moving forward. So people them, thank you so very much for watching. Make sure send me say uno in a NOLA in New Orleans next year. Alright, big up on the damn self. Yaadman out, and see you in the next video. Yeah, cover it.